If you're someone who came up with a really brilliant brand name and you're afraid that someone's going to steal it, then this video is for you. My name is Carmel and I'm a trademark attorney here at Imani Law. We have a ton of clients who come up to us and they say we have this brand name, this course name, or any sort of brand identifier. They don't want to launch quite yet because they're afraid that if they launch, someone else will see it and steal that same brand name. But here's what we do to protect these clients. Before they launch their brand or their logo or anything out into the public, we prepare a special application for them with the USPTO. This is called an intent to use trademark application that we prepare for our clients. This gets them first in line for that mark. And once they're in the database, when we file their application, they can now launch without having to worry. Because now if somebody else tries to come and trademark it, our client is already first in line and in the database with the USPTO. I am simplifying this strategy in this TikTok video. There is, of course, a lot more that goes into it. But as your attorney, we strategize with you to make sure that you get your brand name and, more importantly, you own that brand or that logo so that nobody else can come steal it. That is the goal. So if you're a business owner, you want to launch your business, whether that's on Amazon or just on a website, you will be able to sleep well at night when you launch your brand. You won't have to worry about copycats because you're legally first in line. We make sure your application is time-stamped for that date before you launch your product or your service. So if you're in that stage where you haven't launched yet your product or your service because of that hesitation, then this is your sign to prepare that special application. If you have any questions on this, you can click the link in our bio and click where it says schedule a call. We can begin the entire process.